Thousands of people who hold temporary protected status in the country could be deported within weeks.
Yeah, this following a ruling by the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals. KRON 4's Dan Kerman reports.
I've lived here in U.S. for 17 years. My kids are U.S. citizens and have never been in Nepal.
Sandhi Alama is now one of 60,000 temporary protected status holders that face an uncertain future. A three-judge panel with the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals has ruled the Trump administration can press forward with its attempt to end the 35-year-old statute, which has allowed those from other countries to live and work in the U.S. legally due to unsafe conditions in their home country.
This means that thousands of Nepali TPS holders lose their status now and are at risk of deportation, the loss of work authorization, and face family separation and potential removal. And tens of thousands of Honduran and Nicaraguan TPS holders also face that risk in the next couple of weeks.
ACLU attorney Emmy McLean sued the Trump administration on behalf of those TPS holders, arguing Trump's plan to end the program could not stand.
The Trump administration's actions were illegal. They violated the Constitution. They were motivated by racism, and they should not be allowed to move forward.
A federal district court judge in San Francisco agreed and put the Trump administration's plans on hold, pending a full hearing in November. But the government appealed, and the Ninth Circuit lifted the stay. Now people like Lama face imminent removal. This despite the fact that she has 3 children under the age of 18 who are U.S. citizens and have never been to Nepal.
I am heartbroken by the court's decision. This ruling leaves us and thousands of other TPS families living in fear and uncertainty. Despite this setback, we will continue to fight for justice and permanent protection.
Attorneys are now reviewing their legal options, which could include an appeal to the U.S. Supreme Court. Dan Kerman, KRON 4 News.